everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create color chooser in Tkinter. Let's get started. First let me create a method. There. Okay, please put simple. Okay. Okay, we have to import the color chooser from the Tkinter. To import it, just simply type from Tkinter import color choosers and make the instance of the color chooser self dot okay equal to color chooser dot axe color. Okay, I need a button. Self dot button self and choose a choose a color dot back. Okay, and make the command self dot color underscore choosers. Now everything's same. Okay, let's run it and see. Okay, if I select here, now you can see this is our color chooser. Okay, and let me create a label dot label self. Initially it has no text and self dot l1 dot back. Okay, and self dot l1 dot config and text equal to self dot color one. Okay, if I run this and click it here, and this is the RGB value, and it means use saturations and illuminations. Okay, and you can move it here. Also you can move it here to select the colors, and you can click the color from the here. Okay, if I select it here, the first value within the curly braces is the RGB value, and this is the hexadecimal value. Okay, we can access this by using the assembly index. Okay, if I put 0 only, then it show me a RGB value. Okay, if I select this, now you can see here is only RGB value, and if I change 0 to 1, then it show me the hexadecimal value of the selected color. Okay, now you can see. Okay, let's change the background colors when the user select the colors. Okay, to do this, just okay self dot config bg equal to self dot color one. Okay, if I run this and choose the colors, and okay, if I select this, now you can see this is perfectly working, and our background colors is also working. I show you from here. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see our background color is changing. Okay, if I put 0 instead of 1 and try to do some things, then it does not change the background colors. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, if I select this, then now you can see. Okay, because okay RGB values does not support in the Tkinter. Okay, if you want to use the RGB value, then you have to convert this value to the hexadecimal. Okay, just for now I don't want to make this video complicated, so I place this one and run it again, and it is perfectly working.